the Disney cruise.
You see it?
Look, look,
Turn
look.
left on Eisenhower Boulevard, then turn right on Southeast 24th Street.
Yeah. No, Terminal 4.
It's a Disney boat.
That's your sheep right there.
It's a Disney boat.
It's a Disney boat.
Yeah.
Wow, look at it, so pretty.
Yeah, it's so cool. It's so cool.
Wow.
What is
Turn right
it?
on Southeast 24th Street.
You ready to go? Okay, you ready? 1, 2. Ooh, look at you go, girl. Malia, come here. Malia. Woo! I see. Ooh, look at that. So pretty.
What? I love it.
Y'all, okay, I hope y'all enjoyed the little montage. I didn't do too much talking in the beginning of the video because we was getting here and Malia was so excited. It's a lot of people, obviously, and I'm just trying to make sure I keep track of her. If you're new here, don't forget to subscribe, and if you're not new here, welcome back. Hey girl, hey. So y'all, this will be a travel vlog. I hope y'all enjoyed my montage. Sure, I went to all the places I said I was going to go to. I had reminders in my phone. So we got some food and then we're in the room. The rooms are ready, just our luggage is not ready. And something told me to pack her swimsuit because I forgot, her bathing suit because I forgot. But I should listen to my first mind. But we made it to our room, so let's go ahead and do a little room tour, honey. Oh, this is spacious. So this is a closet. Let me flip the other side of the closet. They got drawers here. It is a split bathroom. Oh, I thought I put those. I had wiped out everything already. So this bathroom is just a tub and a sink. And then this is where the toilet is. So this is kind of cool. So yeah, but honestly, it's a bit more spacious than Carnival. And when I wiped the floor with the wipes was not even black. They was clear. So that's how you know it's clean. Malia, you want to say hi? Look, you want to say hi to the vlog?
Yeah.
Y'all.
Hi, y'all.
I'm on a Disney cruise.
I'm on Disney cruise. I want to go to the Disney.
Malia, you on the Disney cruise. You having fun so far? Yes?
Yeah, I find so fun.
You having fun? She is confused. She don't think that we on the cruise, but we really are. I think she feel like because we didn't leave. Uh-oh. I feel like because she think that we didn't leave, that's why it's not, but whatever. So I did my makeup kind of good. Like, this is a good casual makeup. I could get jiggy with this. So Malia's under the bed currently. There's a mirror. Where did I just tell from? Oh, I must have used it to dab my face.
A mirror.
Yeah, it's a mirror.
It's a mirror?
Yeah.
Baby.
So this is the mirror. This is the bed.
This is the couch.
Come, you want to do it? Come, you want to do it? Here. Here, come, walk this way.
Hey, y'all.
It's the mirror.
It's the mirror.
Okay, the bed. Oh,
A
you
bed.
can't cover the camera, Mama. Here, calm down. Hold it like. Okay, she dropped the phone. So this is the bed. That's the couch. I believe it's a sofa. Yeah. And then it has a separation thing right here, so you could separate this. I did see, like, if you book this type of room and you have more people, there's like a sofa, a bunk bed that they could pull out, but this is also a sofa bed, so that's interesting. And then they got a whole vanity, y'all. Like, this is big. It's a big vanity. So yeah, y'all can see I got my wipes already. But yeah, child, we about to eat. So I got a burger. Malia ate the bread. A burger, lamb chops, chicken tenders, fries. And then I got a piece of a crab right there. And some ginger ale. So I'm about to eat and relax a little bit before we go back out. And then just sit here until our luggage come, and then I'll take her to the water park. So talk to y'all later. Oh my God, this is so nice.
No, it's not nice.
You upset?
Yeah.
I did not even ask for this. This is crazy. Thank you, Disney. Malia, you upset? Malia is mad.
It's not nice.
Y'all, so we went to dinner and came back to the room. Malia just saw Tiana and she's upset because she wants to put on her dress now. But she can't put on her dress now. She has to put it on Sunday. If she put it on right now, she's not going to take that thing off. So she can't get it, okay? But y'all, it's only been day one. And Disney Cruise, honey, the experience.
It's not a Disney cruise.
Malia, it is a Disney Cruise. And be nice. So, yeah. Disney Cruise is 10 out of 10. I see why it's so expensive now. Like, it's all about the experience, honestly. Like, I feel like so seen, so personalized. Like, they know your name. It's Miss Tierra, Miss that. Like, it's so many people come to your table. Like them doing the bed. Like, I didn't even ask for them to do that. Like, they just doing it. This is crazy. Like, 10 out of 10. Like, I think Disney about to see me on the cruise maybe twice a year. They could get my money. I see why it's expensive now. Yes. Oh my, get off that table, girl.
You see by the loser trap. You see by the loser trap. You see by the loser trap.
But yeah, y'all, I'm gonna talk to y'all later. We supposed to get off tomorrow, but child, I don't know. I'm tired. I just want to sleep in. If we wake up and get off, fine. If not, then that's fine with me too. I'm tired. I need to rest. Been up since 7:45 this morning, and I gotta pee. So I'll talk to y'all tomorrow. Hi, vlog.
Hi, dog.
We on the island.
Near island. Hi. Stay here. We're on the southern tip of the island
So we made it to Disney's private island. And the water park just opened. And I let Malia go by herself. And I'm like over here freaking out. Like, I want to go over there, which I am in a little bit. But I let her go by herself. Because I usually be a helicopter mom and follow her everywhere she go. But I'm like, she's getting older. Let her be a little independent. So sometimes I see her, sometimes I don't within the water park. But oh my God, it's crazy. Like, I can't believe I'm doing this. I'm just trying to like woosah. I even got me a drink before we came over here. Because I said, you know what, let me just try to let her play by herself and go in the water park on her own before I like follow her around. So I can't believe I'm doing this. I'm shocked. Yeah, y'all, this cold is kicking my ass. Like, I'm trying to make the most of it, but ooh, my God, it's I wish I didn't have this cold. Like, my head is hurting. It's like I have a head cold. Like, I don't know. But I'm just trying to ease through the pain. But I can't believe I let Malia go in there by herself. This is crazy. But there's a gate, so yeah. But we're not staying long. I'm gonna let her play for like an hour. And then we're gonna go. I might try to see if we could go to the beach. The beach is literally right there. But, child, we'll see. Because Malia don't like to leave nowhere. Our room again. Look, and they gave us the pirate scarves. This is so cute. I'm over here thinking that we had to buy this. Disney got me sold. Okay, we'll be back. We about to take a shower and relax. Oh, and take a nap. I just left the spa. My lashes came on. Where am I going? My lashes came off. I'm so mad. But that massage was so good. Oh, now I might have to take these off. Let's see.
Tis high time you learned how a bloodthirsty crew really celebrate.
Oh, Mickey won't let you get away with this. You party poopers!
Style!
Alright, let's do this!
Well, folks, I promised you a party, so here's a party in the sky! Look!
Hi.
Hi.
We're waiting to see Mickey. Look, waiting to see Mickey.
What is that?
Huh?
Yes.
Yes. You ready to see Mickey?
Yeah.
All right. We almost there, okay?
Okay.
My child does not want to walk, so I have to put her on my neck. I think I should have brought her stroller, honestly. We off the island. I mean, we off
Bobby,
the boat.
look.
Yes, you see Carnival? Shit. Yeah. So we going straight to Twin Brothers, and we may or may not go to the beach. I'm deciding because her behavior is horrible. I did say no. I'm the mama. But I will talk to y'all later.
Stairs?
Yeah, be careful.
Okay.
She's
Okay. Look at this.
It's a crown.
It's a crown and it has a Mickey on it. Can you see it?
Yes.
So now this Mickey Mouse is going to be right here in the top of your head. Okay?
Yeah.
Good job, princess. You're doing a great job.
she is.
I can tell.
It's a crown.
All right. And now, the shoes are beautiful, aren't they? I'm wishing to get a lot of pixie in your hair. Are you ready? Okay. Are you happy?
Princess
Baby.
Would you like to show Paige your watch?
A beautiful princess. I
Sit. And tell her what's on it.
Wishes come true. Baby side.
Let's have a Mickey waffle.
Now, I need you to look at mommy. Yours, right? Baby. Open your eyes.
You like it?
You are
Yeah,
a
princess. That's right.
I present to you the newest princess of the Disney Magic, Princess
Go up, go down.
A very good evening, everyone, and welcome to the beautiful lobbyation part of the Disney Magic. My name is. That being said, there is a group of some very special friends that wanted to come in and say hello to you all. Disney Magic, would you like that?
Yeah.
Just keep this energy out throughout the entire evening. But before I invite our friends in, there's something very important that you all. And of course, you see them in Disney rooms. We have fireworks for Pirate Hope, bringing us fireworks at sea this cruise, everyone. How exciting was that? And now, with a great pleasure, I would like to announce the arrival of our Disney princesses. Joining us, everyone. Now, she is the diva of Disney Magic. Is Daisy Duck, everyone. And the number one duck on the high seas, Donald Duck, everyone. And now, last but not least, a couple that needs no introduction, but they're going to do it anyway. They're my captains, they're your captains, Captains Minnie and Mickey Mouse. So, as we imagine, the friends will be here for another 15 minutes, and I'll see you soon.
Now's the time to say goodbye to all our company. Come on, gosh! And I see ya real soon. K-Y. Why? Because we like you.
Hey y'all, it's our last night here. I don't want it to end. As y'all can hear, this cold still kicking my behind. You want to say hey to the vlog? Malia? You want to say hi to the vlog? Huh? Hello? You want to say hi to the vlog?
Yes.
Okay. She's coming. Say hi, vlog.
Hi, vlog.
What's your name?
Tiana.
Your name is Sienna.
Yeah.
Where are you going?
The fireworks is so loud.
Yeah, it is loud. It's loud for you?
Mom,
Yes.
I want soda.
You want soda? Okay. So I ordered room service. I've been ordering room service every night. Literally. No, leave that.
What is that?
That's honey.
Honey?
Yeah, that's for mommy. So I've been ordering room service every night. And Malia asks for cookies every night.
Whoa.
And I've been getting tea every
Honey.
night. And they wings is real good. Oh
Mom,
my
it's
God.
honey.
Where I put that salad? Did I throw it away?
Where?
Oh man, I think I left it out and he threw it away. So they also clean your room every night too. Dang, I left the salad out. I forgot. Wait, be careful, Malia.
Oh, it's honey?
Yeah. Okay, but yeah, this is our last night. We gotta get up early. We gotta be out of this room by 8 o'clock. But we probably gonna go to breakfast in the morning. But I'm gonna talk to y'all later.